How to edit a product in the Etsy Integration app by CedCommerce. Need to make changes to a product before listing it on Etsy? Whether it's the title, images, or personalization settings, the product edit feature lets you fine-tune everything in one place. Let's walk through how it works. Access the product grid from the left-hand menu, click on Products. Locate the item in the product grid, head to the Actions column, and click the three dots. Then select Edit Product. Update General Information. Inside the editor, you'll see multiple tabs: General Information, Product Syncing, Etsy Attributes, Gallery, and Variant Information. Start with General Information. Update the title. Write or refine your description. And add relevant tags, up to 13, and keywords. These fields help your product stand out in Etsy search results and speak directly to what buyers are looking for. The next section is Product Syncing. Here, you can control how attributes from Shopify are managed inside the app. Choose Global Settings if you want to keep the default configurations from onboarding or your settings panel. Select Custom Settings for more control. This allows you to enable or disable syncing of specific fields like title, tags, or description for just this product. It's perfect for cases where a one-size-fits-all sync doesn't apply. Set Etsy Attributes. In the Etsy Attributes tab, fill out important listing details. Who made the product? What it is, a finished item, or a tool, supply. When it was created, assign shipping and policy templates for this listing. You'll also find enhancement attributes here, like color, pattern, or personalization options. Want to let buyers customize the product? Enable personalization, set a character limit, and add instructions. For example, enter name, maximum 12 characters, no spaces. Also, choose between manual and automatic renewal. Etsy charges the same fee for both. The only difference is whether you want to renew it yourself every 3 months or have Etsy handle it automatically. Use conditional attributes to adjust product-level fields like width, height, weight, and assign the appropriate shop section. Next is the Recommended Attributes section. Here, you can use data from the profile or customize it for this product. Attributes like color, occasion, holiday, style, sustainability, and secondary color help align your listing with Etsy's search filters and boost discoverability. Add images and videos. Need to update your visuals? You can upload up to 10 images and 1 video by clicking the plus button. To rearrange or delete, simply hover over any media and select the desired option. This helps keep your listing gallery polished and engaging. Review Variant Information. The final tab is Variant Information. Here you can review and edit all product variants, including price and inventory. If your product has multiple variants, you'll also have the option to disable specific variants if needed. In the current example, there's only one variant, so that option is hidden for now. You're done. That's how you edit a product using the Etsy Integration app. Use this tool to fine-tune your listings, stay compliant with Etsy's requirements, and make your products more appealing to buyers. For more tutorials, check out our video library or reach out to support if you need assistance. Happy selling!